hamburger, hamburger. Hot dog, hot dog. Ramen, ramen. Beef Wellington, beef Wellington. Sushi, sushi. Pizza, pizza. Salad, salad. Sausage, sausage. Tuna tartare, tuna tartare. Tacos, tacos. French fries, French fries. Soup, soup. Paella, paella. Shrimp cocktail, shrimp cocktail. Quesadilla, quesadilla. Sandwich, sandwich. Burrito, burrito. Sukiyaki, sukiyaki. Ratatouille, ratatouille. Risotto, risotto. Spaghetti, spaghetti. Grilled cheese, grilled cheese. Souvlaki, souvlaki. Peking duck, Peking duck. Hummus, hummus. Omelette, omelette. Nachos, nachos. Croquettes, croquettes. Kebab, kebab. Falafel, falafel. Chicken wings, chicken wings. Pancakes, pancakes. Dim sum, dim sum. French onion soup, French onion soup. Kimchi, kimchi. Fried chicken, fried chicken. Mashed potatoes, mashed potatoes. Carbonara, carbonara. Lobster bisque, lobster bisque. Gnocchi, gnocchi. Meatballs, meatballs. Chicken tender, chicken tender. Chicken teriyaki, chicken teriyaki. Yorkshire pudding, Yorkshire pudding. Spaghetti bolognese, spaghetti bolognese. Steak, steak. Mac and cheese, mac and cheese. Seaweed soup, seaweed soup. Chicken satay, chicken satay. Pad thai, pad thai. Sausage, sausage. Fajitas, fajitas. Tom yum soup, tom yum soup. Cheese fondue, cheese fondue. Shawarma, shawarma. Grilled fish, grilled fish. Chicken tikka masala, chicken tikka masala. Laksa, laksa. Rice, rice. Lamb chops. Lamb chops. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Rice bowl. Rice bowl. Udon. Udon. Beef carpaccio. Beef carpaccio. Burrata. Burrata. Salad. Salad. Lamb shank. Lamb shank. Clam chowder. Clam chowder. Beef tartare. Beef tartare. Spring rolls. Spring rolls. Lasagna. Lasagna. Chicken wings. Chicken wings. Fried noodles. Fried noodles. Crab cakes. Crab cakes. Tempura. Tempura. Pancakes. Pancakes. Fried rice. Fried rice. Duck confit. Duck confit. Pork knuckle. Pork knuckle. Dumplings. Dumplings. Hot dog. Hot dog. Bagel. Bagel. Roast chicken. Roast chicken. Barbecue ribs. Barbecue ribs. Fish and chips. Fish and chips.
Well done. Repeat this video to practice more. Subscribe for more English learning videos.